Welcome guys, so today I am with Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition, and I'm going to show you how you can apply a screen protection for both screens, for this one and also for this one. So at the first, I can recommend you to put something like that to don't scratch any screen. Make it like that. Of course, I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer to show you how it looks. Okay, I think it looks good right now. Let me just remove this button. And right now, the first thing, the both protectors are almost the same when you try to compare them. But this one is a little bit bigger, so we have to try how it will be looks when you put like that. Okay, it's definitely too big for the front, so it will be definitely for this one. As you can see, it fits right here. So before applying, remember to fit each protector for screen. So we are going to this one, and we are going to apply at the first this one. So we have to open this additional tools. That's 2 wipes and also stickers. And I'm going to show you how we can use it. That's very simple, but just take a look. So at the first, we have to open this wet wipe. And just clean the screen. It's very small, so it will be very quick. Okay, just remember to get good lighting condition, like in my case, to see all the fingerprints and greasy marks that you can get on the screen. And after that, you have to use this dry wipe and remove wet cleaning marks. As you can see right now, this screen looks really good. No any fingerprints, no piece of the dust. So right now we can start with applying this protector. So we have to start from removing this sticker. So grab it like that, do it gently. I can recommend you to hold like that with your 2 fingers, and just take a look on your screen last time. To be sure that there is no any dust on the screen, because when you apply this protector for dust, you will get air bubbles. So let's start from, for example, from the left side. So try to put it correctly, just like that, and then put your finger right here and try to put the right part of the protector on your screen. Okay, and right now take a look. As you can see, it goes almost automatically, but you can press with your finger to get it stick for the whole screen. And right now let's remove these fingerprints. And when you get any air bubbles, you can press like that and they will disappear. Okay, so as you can see, everything is fine. We successfully applied this protector. So right now we can smoothly move for this lens. And right now we have to remove this foil. Right now, just go back for this wet wipe. Clean this lens. Put it back. Move for the dry wipe. Do the same. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, everything is fine. There's no dust, but I'm going to show you how to remove it if you got any pieces of the dust. So I can recommend you to use this sticker and just simply remove it like that. After that, we can simply move for the second protector. So it will be fit like that. So one more time, remove this sticker. And as you can see right now, we can spot something under the glass. As you can see, it's right here. So we can also remove it with this sticker. So take a look. Okay, that's so weird. I don't know how we can, how this hair just go right here in this place. I don't know, but right now we can just put it on the screen. Yeah, just like that. I mean for the lens, sorry guys, I just call it the screen for the second time. Try to put it correctly for each corner. Okay, I think that it fits good. So right now we can press with the finger to remove air under this protector. Right now press with this dry wipe. Okay, and just take a look. As you can see, everything is fine. Now let's go back for this screen, and also, as you can see, it looks good. So yeah, that's how we can apply tempered glass for this device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.